The girl in the video thinks that the only one she sent the picture to will actually see the image, but she soon learns that once you share an image, it's completely out of your control. One study estimates that 88% of the self-made sexual or suggestive images that teens post online are reposted to adult websites. If you take a revealing picture of yourself, it could be lost if you misplace or lose your cell phone. It may be passed around without your permission. For example, maybe an ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend or even somebody you're dating may share or send the text to get revenge. People may bully or judge you because of the image. Some teens have been bullied so badly because of sexting images that they've been afraid to go to school. The person that receives the image might try to use it to blackmail you into sending more messages. You may get in trouble with your school or with law enforcement, especially if there's evidence of blackmailing, bullying, or forwarding without permission. Those are all illegal. Some teens have even suspended from class, sports teams, other activities, or even when they're in college, lost scholarships. Others have been charged for crimes and had to complete community service or educational programs due to this. Once a sexting picture or a video is out of your hands, it's out of your control. Fortunately, you can choose to stay in control before you even get to that point. Don't ever take images of yourself that you wouldn't want everyone to see. Don't forward anyone else's picture or video. Imagine how betrayed you'd feel if that happened to you. Don't ask or pressure anyone into sharing an image. Many teens send texts because they've been asked by a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a crush. You should never ask anyone to take this kind of risk, especially if it's someone you care about. They shouldn't be asking you. Talk to a trusted adult if you receive a revealing message, or if you're being pressured into sending one, or you've even been sent one. While talking to an adult may seem difficult or very embarrassing, it's important that you get one involved. An adult can help you by talking to your school to stop bullying that's happened because of an image been shared, working with law enforcement or investigating the situation, or getting the image removed from any website that it's on.